Welcome back, everybody, to the 12 nights of Beastmode Christmas camping. Today is day 2 of getting to open up our presents.
All right. Now, Dana yesterday brought us they're called holiday flames. These little packages you throw in the fire, and they make the fire change Christmas colors. That was very, very cool.
We're ready to look at what's in store for present number 2.
I can't wait.
We had very specific instructions to open up 1 gift a day. Today is day 2.
All right, what do we got?
So this was a number 2.
Ooh.
Can you double check that for me?
That says number 2.
Okay. And then
Very festive packaging. I like it.
was this that's number 2.
Number 2. So there's 2 number 2s.
And
Is there going to be 3 number 3s?
That's going to be a lot of stuff. Very specifically on the instructions, it says pull out that and an orange.
Okay. Okay.
So
we're cooking dinner for this?
I don't know.
Okay.
Go ahead and open it.
All right.
Let's see what we've got.
I'm going to open it. All right. The second day of Christmas, Dana gave to us. What is it? It's Sunwill. Not sure what it is. Let's keep going, shall we? Ooh, that's a fire. Okay. It's a mug. A very nice mug. Check that out. That should be a hint as to.
I wonder if there's
what?
another one in here. So 4.
I'll be gosh dang, there's another one. Hey, Tony, why don't you open this one? I wonder what it is.
Let me just double check. So this is 6.
There are 2 number 2s. Okay, so yeah.
I forgot she did tell me that you were supposed to open one and I was supposed to open one.
Okay. So yeah, these are cool little mugs, man. Insulated. Nice.
Oh.
Little Yeti style lids on them. Is yours blue too? Yeah.
I think it is.
Cool.
Thanks, babe.
Sweet.
All right. But I think this is meant to go in there.
All right, what do we got here?
So
Okay,
this is number 2. Actually, I opened up yesterday's gift.
This
so
is-
continue opening today's.
Apple juice?
That is apple cider, boy.
It says apple juice.
Unfiltered apple juice.
Oh, that makes it cider?
Yes.
Okay, I did not know that.
Apple cider is
You gotta
generally.
learn me something every day, huh? That looks like alcohol. Oh, whiskey. Clyde Mays, organic Alabama style whiskey.
And supposedly very specific. So she did leave the
An apple
instructions.
cider. And we have an orange.
Okay, Steve. So we've got something we got to do here.
What?
Sounds like we got to cook it.
Uh-oh. We're cooking, huh?
The instructions say this is Alabama whiskey cider.
Sweet.
We're gonna go 1.5 ounce Clyde Mays. I know you know how to measure pretty well. So for 2 of us, that's gonna be like 15 ounces.
Yeah.
3 ounces of this, so let's just double everything. 6 ounces of this.
Okay, so I've got the perfect amount of apple juice in the bowl here.
You've already poured it?
Yes.
Okay.
I put a little bit of extra apple juice in there too, just because in the pot it just looks like not a lot. You know what I mean? All right, so we're going on the fire.
Hold on. No. We need 1 orange sliced.
And we put that in here with it.
Oh yeah. All right.
And
I'm
then
just
this
gonna
goes on
cut
after-
this a
afterwards,
couple
I think.
times. You want to squeeze that in all off on in there, Steve? So what have you done so far?
Okay, so we add the apple cider. Now we're squeezing we're squeezing in the oranges. We do need to put all the spices in there too to simmer it. Here's the.
How much of this?
She didn't say, so I'm totally guessing on this.
Oh, to taste.
To taste.
Yeah, and allspice. Everyone knows what allspice tastes like.
It just tastes like all other spices. Ground cinnamon.
Know how you like your cinnamon.
Oh, we like cinnamon.
Oh, a double dab.
Double dab it.
All right.
A double dabble do.
And then
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
I'm gonna.
I wonder if 10 minutes.
We just need to get this up to a slight little boil. So.
I don't know what the 10 minutes is for.
Just to let all the juices mingle, you know.
Like a chili.
Kind of like that. You gotta
like you don't eat it immediately.
You gotta let it. You gotta let it simmer.
Chili's better on day 2 or 3.
I agree with that.
Have you ever tasted my chili, Steve?
I have tasted your chili. Man, that was a good video. In fact, we should throw a link up here for that because that was good.
Put a link right here. Boom, chili. This is like a witch's brew right here.
I'm telling you, man, it's like a cauldron going on. Should have done this for Halloween. Telling us it's done.
Let's
now.
give it.
Is it hot?
This is cold.
Whoa, look at that. Wafting. What do you think? Ooh, I can smell. Oh my God, that smells incredible, dude.
Holy beep, beep, beep.
Ooh, that sounds like it smells like dessert, man. Oh wow. Watch.
All right. So do we need to add the alcohol now, or?
Yes. So we need to get some in our mugs and with a shot of alcohol.
Okay.
Because if you do put it in here before you cook it,
Boils off.
It boils off all the alcohol, and it may still have the flavor of the alcohol, but you're not going to get any of the alcohol content of it.
So you don't put that in there. You just cook this, mug it, alcohol in.
Right.
More, please. What? Hey, what about me? Go ahead and drop a little bit in there. Cheers. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, Santa Dana.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
Oh, wow. Dude, it's like a dessert or something.
Yeah.
It reminds me of that pie we had. Almost like the remnants were still in here and I could taste it.
Great job, babe.
Oh,
as always.
Wow.
Everybody.
Bravo. I'll be finishing that up.
Thanks, everybody. Come back tomorrow where we open present number 3.
Day 3
of our 12 nights of Beast Mode Camping Christmas.
That's right. See you on day 3.